Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Plymouth Fury with the 426 Superstock 3 cross ram dual carb max wedge engine that was available in 1964. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a good looking car. Somebody did a real nice restoration on it. Looked great with the white paint and the turquoise interior. And this one being part of the third generation of the Fury, which went from 1962 through 1964. This was the last year for this body style. And they went on to the fourth generation, which was a totally different looking car, which went from 65 through 68. As far as production numbers for 1964, Plymouth made a total of 551,633 cars, and out of that, 88,218 were Furies. And the hardtop coupe two-door, which this one is, they made 26,303. And out of that, as far as for the 426 engine, the only number I could find on the internet was they had a total of 6,359 Dodge and Plymouth cars built with the 426 for 1964. So I'm not exactly sure of the numbers just for the Plymouth by itself, but it was a $515 option for the motor back in 64, which would be about $4,300 today, adjusted for inflation. So it was pretty good price to pay to upgrade versus just a basic car, which the standard equipment was $2,864 for a hardtop. So it added quite a bit to the price of the car, but you got quite a bit for your money, and definitely got your money's worth in today's dollars compared to what a regular one would sell for versus one of these with the Max Wedge, the Stage 3 with the cross ram. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1964 Plymouth Fury restored with the 426 Max Wedge Superstock Stage 3 engine with the cross ram with the dual quads that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. Appreciate you watching. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you had one, I would appreciate it. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.